Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what secrets it holds? Well, astronomers just unveiled a cosmic secret that's been hiding in plain sight for over a century. After decades of searching, they've finally captured an image of two supermassive black holes locked in a cosmic dance, orbiting each other. This is a first in astronomical history and confirms a theory that has tantalized scientists for years. The cosmic pair resides at the heart of a quasar named OJ-87, a mind-boggling 5 billion light-years away in the constellation Cancer. Now, you might be wondering, what's a quasar? Think of it as the super-bright downtown of a galaxy, where a supermassive black hole is having a feast. The intense gravity causes gas and dust to heat up and glow so brightly that they outshine entire galaxies. In fact, OJ-87 is so luminous that even amateur astronomers can spot it with their backyard telescopes. We've seen pictures of single black holes before, like the one in our own Milky Way galaxy. But sintered together, orbiting each other, that's been the Holy Grail. We had indirect hints from gravitational waves, which are like ripples in spacetime caused by massive objects like black holes colliding, but seeing them with our own eyes, or rather, our telescope's eyes, remained a challenge. The two black holes in OJ-87 were just too close to each other for our telescopes to tell them apart from a single point of light. The story of OJ-87 is fascinating. It was first photographed way back in the late 1800s, long before we even knew what black holes or quasars were. It really grabbed scientists' attention in 1982 when a Finnish astronomer, Amaze, noticed something peculiar. The quasar's brightness was fluctuating in a regular 12-year cycle. This led to a groundbreaking hypothesis. What if there were two black holes inside, orbiting each other and causing these predictable flares for the next 4 decades? Hundreds of astronomers dedicated themselves to watching OJ-87, hoping to prove this theory. And now, that dedication has paid off spectacularly. The breakthrough came from combining data from telescopes here on Earth with a Russian space-based radio telescope called Radio Astronomers. This created a virtual telescope with an incredibly sharp vision, about 100,000 times sharper than what you'd get from a typical optical telescope. It was powerful enough to finally resolve the two distinct black holes. When the researchers processed the data, they were stunned. The two black holes appeared in the image exactly where their theoretical models predicted they would be. It was a perfect match, and we found it. Moment that science lives for. Of course, you can't see the black holes themselves since they're perfectly black. What we see are the jets of particles they spew out and the glowing gas swirling around them. The image revealed something else that's incredibly cool. The jet shooting out from the smaller black hole is twisted, kind of like the water stream from a spinning garden hose. This is caused by its rapid orbit round its much larger companion. As it continues its 12-year journey, this jet will appear to wag back and forth like a giant cosmic tail. This gives us a front row seat to watch their orbital dance unfold in real time, offering priceless information about how these gravitational titans interact. It's an unprecedented opportunity to study the dynamics of a binary black hole system up close. This is truly a new chapter in our understanding of the universe. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic journey. If you enjoyed this and want to stay updated on the latest amazing discoveries from space, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.